My name is Nur Aisha Zakia binti Ismail Zawawi. My matric number is 197378.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Zohdi bin Isi. My metric number 196462.
Today we are going to present about Mesocarp Fibre. Zohdi?
Today I want to discuss about the process involved to convert the waste into bioproduct. Okay, let me start first. Okay, process involved to convert the waste into bioproduct. So as we can see, palm oil, as we can see in the figure 1, the conversion technologies of oil palm biomass. Okay, palm on biomass can undergo pyrolysis to produce bio oil, or we can say biodiesel. Another step is biochemical conversions that convert to sugar. And then the last step is anaerobic process that can convert to biogas. Okay, this one is a process involved to convert the waste into bioproduct. Let me explain first. Okay, what is oil palm biomass? Okay, as we can see, this palm oil biomass include EFB, empty fruit bunch, mesocarp fiber, palm kernel shell, and liquid effluents. A majority of these palm oil biomass were used as commercial solid fuel as they have high calorific values. Besides that, they are also potential feedstock for bio-based chemical, biofuel, and bioplastic industry. Their abundance and availability throughout the years make them appealing as resource for sustainable and renewable energy. Okay, let me explain. Wait, let me explain. The technologies to convert palm oil biomass to valuable product. The combustion technology is well established to transform the biomass to heat. There are also a number of technologies being actively pursued to transform this biomass into a more convenient liquid or gaseous fuel for more specific use. These include pyrolysis, anaerobic process, and bioconversions. As shown in figure 1, I show later that some of these technologies are still in their early stage and evaluation is needed before it can be commercialized. Okay, let me explain about pyrolysis process. Pyrolysis occurs without the presence of oxygen at elevated temperature, which results in decompositions of the biomass. The intermediate products, which include biochar, bio-oil, and gas including carbon monoxide, hydrogens, methane, and carbon dioxide, can be a promising biofuel product as an alternative to replace the petroleum-based fuel. Figure 2 illustrate the fundamental pyrolysis process diagram. Different temperature conditions will yield different types of product. During pyrolysis, product mainly biochar will be obtained at low temperature, less than 450 Celsius. Pyrolysis, while bio-oil is the main product at an intermediate temperature, Therefore, solid biomass can be converted into a liquid in pyrolysis, which enable it to be stored and transported easily. Compared to pyrolysis, direct combustion will completely convert the biomass into heat, which only offers just about 10% efficiency. Okay, biomass will convert to undergo pyrolysis 550 Celsius with no air. And then it can undergo vapors to condensations and turn to liquid by power generations. In the process of pyrolysis to become vapor into condensations, they undergo catalytic conversion to hydrogen optional. And then from condensations, they will turn to combustions and produce gas H2CO, CH1, CH2, H2, C2, H4. And then it will go to pyrolysis. That's the figure 2, biomass liquefaction via pyrolysis process. Okay. I will explain. That's all from me. Okay. I will give Aisha Zakia for the next presentations.
Okay, so for the quantity, we can see the chemical content in common palm oil biomass feedstock. Actually, oil palm mesocarp fiber was obtained from a palm oil processing mill and was washed with detergent and water to remove the oil and sun dry to enhance good addition to linear low density polyethylene, which is LLDPE. And then the oil palm mesocarp fiber reinforced thermoplastic was produced with a form of hand layup method and varying fibers weight ratio in the matrix from 5% to 25% instead of 5%. So, over the past few decades, there has been a growing interest in the use of natural fiber in composite application. This is because the composite has many advantages such as first, low density, second, cheaper cost, availability, and biodegradability. Many naturally occurring fibers can be used as composite, but mostly in applications that involve low stress. Some of the fibers are obtained by processing agricultural, industrial, or consumer waste. One natural fiber, which is oil palm mesocarp fiber, is available in appreciable quantity locally in an example of country which is Nigeria. It can residue obtained from oil palm fruits after the oil extraction. And then oil palm mesocarp are also left in the palm oil mill as waste, or we use locally for cooking, which is the cooking oil. The utilization of the fiber, however, create huge environmental pollution to the environment. This research put oil palm mill mesocarp to better use as a filler for biocomposite preparation. The materials and method which is mechanical property of oil palm mesocarp fiber reinforced is we obtain from local palm oil processing mill in such as Modal area of Osun State. Here we can see the percent of chemical and mechanical properties of the oil palm mesocarp fiber reinforced thermoplastic, which is in the OPMF, lignin has 11%, cellulose has 60%, ash content have 3%, and tensile stress has 80 MPa. Young modulus have 500 MPa, and the elongation at break is 17%. So this is actually a growing industry. With oil palm mesocarp fiber is actually a growing industry because people put more interest in it. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tiba, takutnya.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. We are from Agriculture Waste Management, EAB 3208. We will present about the Mesocarp fiber, and this is my group members, which is Christina Akila, Atika Nifa, Nur Aisha Zakia, and Muhammad Zohdi. And I'm Atika Nifa. Okay, next. I will talk about the source of the waste produced. What is the Mesocarp fiber? Mesocarp fiber is known as palm press fiber, which is PPF, and it is residue obtained from the oil palm fruit after the oil extraction. After the Mesocarp fiber is residue, it will melt wash water with detergent and water to remove the oil and sun-dried to enhance good addition to linear low density polyethylene. When we wash the Mesocarp fiber with water and detergent, we will sun-dry the Mesocarp fiber, and the dried fiber will pulverized using a local paper breeding machine. And the ground fiber will then filter through the sieve of pores size of 300 microns. Next. After that, the Mesocarp fiber will possesses certain characteristics such as the low density and biodegradability. Mesocarp fiber also non-abrasive, and it will left in the palm oil mill as waste or used locally for cooking.
Okay, next, my name is Christina Akila, and I will talk about the applications of Mesocarp fiber. Firstly, it is used as a growing medium for plants. Usually, in the conventional method, we use soil as a medium for planting a plant. When matured, Mesocarp fiber mixed with chicken manure and compost, it will be used as a growing media. It is to promote vigorous plant growth, and it is also to give sufficient nutrients such as phosphorus and magnesium to the seedling. Okay, next, fuel in steam generation. Mesocarp fiber are being incinerated in the boiler furnace. It is to be able to, Mesocarp fiber also able in generating clean energy, which means it is able to lessen the emission of carbon. And lastly, lastly is fertilizer. Since Mesocarp fiber is organic, they are really rich in nutrients. So the growth of palm oil is the greatest when the medium they are using is 90% of Mesocarp fiber and 10% of subsoil. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.